Okay, here we are at the first job. We got some really green mold going here. See? I can see it. See that? It's green. See? Plants are green, mold's green. That could be moss. I don't know. I've been here 2 years ago. Regular customer, real nice guy. He's from Long Island, New York, right? You know what I'm saying? There he goes right there. And you know what? Long Island New Yorkers, they always pay cash for stuff. So we're going to do them an extra good job. Like I do everybody, of course. We got weeds. Okay? I'm going to take the turbo nozzle and get all the weeds out after we're done SHing and using the mini Mondu. Then we're going to come on the side here where I really need to take a pair of pliers, tighten it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. Then we're going to get started with SHing. Pre-treat mini Mondu that's patiently awaiting in the roadway here. And that's what we're looking at. See all these weeds? Gotta get them weeds out of there. Look down the edge there. I'll just take the turbo tip to this guy's edge right there. It's gonna look really good, okay? This is the rig that makes it all possible. And in order for you to get a rig, you'll have to go to Ameritech, where they build the best stuff. You know what? And if you haven't noticed, I started growing my beard back so I can be, you know, Juan Valdez. All right, let's go look at this little porch, all right? Let's get after it. Let's have a quick look at what we're doing here. You can see that the driveway's a lighter color just by applying SH. Now look at this down here. I went ahead and put some heavy treatment down here to knock all this mold off of the sidewalk, okay? And while that's dwelling here, it'll be disappeared by the time I get to it. We're gonna get the mini Mondu, we're gonna get all this area out here. We went ahead and treated all this back here as well. All that back there. And I tightened that thing up. I must be missing the reb out of the hose, but that's okay. Tank's full and we're gonna get after it. Now for some turbo tip action. Or shall I say turbo nozzle to be politically correct. Let's get after it. right, that's the difference between looking great and looking so-so. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get after the satisfying runs. Okay, here we are at job number 2. Just the pool deck. That's it. It's going to be very easy, and it's a painted surface, it looks like. So we're not going to be able to get too crazy with the pressure. So we're going to do this whole thing with the wand, SH treat, and see what happens, okay? If I think I can bring the Mondu back here, I will, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. It looks pretty... we'll see. It looks iffy. We'll see what happens. Let's just take a quick look. You can see the difference over here, how nice it looks. You see over there by the door, and over here, this kind of crap. That's all over that area right there, and then we'll get that little sidewalk that's going down the side there, where they have their plants, and we'll go ahead and hit this out here too. Matter of fact, I should probably hit this first, so it doesn't make such a big mess. All right, let's get after it. Let's have a look. Looks great. All this black stuff come up off of here. Finish it off with the bleach and more. See that little sidewalk out there? Nice and clean. The pads are good. Outside the door here is good. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's going to be the end of this day. Quick and easy. All right, let's get after it. We'll see you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Tell a friend. Tell your mom. Moms love clean, all right? And remember, get after it. Hey, Don here. I think it's on standard. Sorry about that. I needed to make sure it was on regular video before I start talking. If it was on warp speed, it's just going to be a bunch of, you know, with no sound. Anyway, I just got done with the job there. And you know, people that have normal lifestyles, minimal income coming in, I just got a $50 tip on top of doing that pool deck right there. That wasn't really that big of a deal. I cleaned his furniture. He asked me nicely to do it, and I was going to do it anyway because it's dirty and it's back there, so I would have went ahead and rinsed it off. Because that's what I do, and that's how you accumulate more business. Anyway, he gave me a $50 tip, and we talked about the house. There was some marks on it, and he said the last guy that came ripped all his paint off, killed the gutters, and really made a mess out of his yard and stuff. So he's gonna go ahead and call me back here in a couple months, right before the holidays get here, and he's gonna go ahead and get that done by a professional. He sees how I did the back, and he's very happy that I didn't wreck his painted pool deck. It needs to get repainted, but he's not very he's handicapped, so he's having trouble getting around. So he's happy that I cleaned it and it stayed exactly the way it was without doing any damage to it, because I could have put some tips on there and killed that paint. But it's a great day and I'm off work. I'm gonna go home, eat some lunch, and call it a day. It's gonna be great. Finished packing for my trip. Yep, I'm already packed, almost 2 weeks prior. Is that anal retentive or what? Leave that in the comments and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1,700. When we get to 2,000, gonna give away 50 feet of the blue hose, a DN10 ball valve, a gallon of sticky icky apple, a t-shirt, and some stickers. All right, tell your friends. Let's get this ball rolling. All right, get after it. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and before I forget, Ameritech pressure washing systems and Big Al will take care of you on any day, anytime. Right, Al?
Got that right.
Get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.
It showed up. That was today's appointment that didn't show up. You guys.
How's it going under there, chlorine boy?
Pretty good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hey. All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it. Look at this guy, man. He's going to get after it.
Get after it at halting point forward.
It's an automatic. Sounds like it's taking a crap. Hey, hey, hey. Pow! We're full SH and ready to rock. Let's get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. America.
Get after it! Hey, there's a rig following me, all lit up. Look at that mother. Woohoo! Super Blast!